Now listen, blessed sacraments. I know you're resting on the arms of the ancestors. Farewell. When Biafra comes, your children will not know doom. So tell them the Spirit of God has left the zoo like in so. Damn, that's an insult. Nnamdi is king. We the indigenous, we stand tall, Diego Santos, Succulenta, fighter, we fight and no time for fight talks. Tell your pastors that Biafra is our future, emancipating the black race, IPOB got our future, from hinterlander to seashore, our territories will be secure, because the innocent is so powerful. Any objection, ask me more powerful. Who they text me? I'm going to report them on men to you, man. 5 men, 900 men. You can sing for joy, all you Biafran. Hit the drum, all drum man. Where the street boys? High man. We can shout it here, all Biafran. That's up to Nonis is high.
Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. As always, I remain loyal. So there's the first day you're coming across this channel for the first time. This is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, as you can see, we bring the latest and we bring the happening all over the globe. And in this channel also, we react to all videos. Yes, all videos, and I do hope you join the family. Right now, this video you are about to watch, I don't know what you felt about this video, but I hope you do pick some sense from this video. All right, let's dive into the news in details.
We are declaring Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of IPOB and ECN, wanted for the killings, destructions of property of northerners residing on and undertaking their lawful businesses in the southeastern part of Nigeria. We of the Northern Consensus Movement, NCM, an amalgamation of more than 75 organizations of northern extraction, have taken it upon ourselves as active and responsible citizens of this country, Nigeria, to state in clear, unequivocal terms and without any form of ambiguity that 1. We believe Nigeria is a democratic nation under a democratically elected government. 2. We call on all countries of the world to respect our sovereignty as a nation. 3. That Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of IPOB, is the man and brain behind the killings and destructions of properties belonging to innocent northerners residing in southeastern Nigeria, carrying out their legitimate businesses using his proscribed terrorist organization, IPOB/ECN. You are all aware that Nnamdi Kanu jumped bail while facing traceable charges against the Nigerian state. Northern Consensus Movement, in collaboration with these organizations, are hereby declaring Nnamdi Kanu, the spiritual leader of IPOB and ECN, wanted for crimes against humanity and for instigating the killings of innocent northerners residing in southeastern Nigeria via his hate speech. We call on both the US government, that is the United States government, the British government, as the champions of democracy, the US government, the German government, and the British government as champions of democracy, rule of law, and freedom of speech and expression, to kindly and humbly respect Nigerian sovereignty, facilitate repatriation of Nnamdi Kanu back to Nigeria so that he can face his terrorism and genocide charges against innocent citizens of Nigeria. Northern Consensus Movement, in collaboration with this organization, has placed a bounty. We are placing a bounty of 100 million naira. We are placing a bounty of 100 million naira as an offer to anyone who can produce Nnamdi Kanu alive, hale and hearty. Please take note. Whoever can produce Nnamdi Kanu alive, hale and hearty, uninjured, to us for onward delivery to security agencies for
Hey, wonders shall never end. Let us really balance down and treat this issue once and for all. I don't really know what the northern part of Nigeria feel like. If they can control Nigerians, they should be able to know their boundary. Yes, they can only control some certain group of people. Meanwhile, the president is on their side, but they should not cross boundary to the southeast. If not that our president, our governors don't work in unity, if not that our governors don't speak in one voice, these things, this type of talk would have taken place. What about the killings that happened in other parts of Nigeria? Is it Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Is this still the cause of it? The one that happened in Kaduna? The one that happened in Kanu? Is it the one that sent these people to northern part of Nigeria? Oh my word, these people, they are really blind. They are 100% blind. But we are not even shaking, because no matter what they say, I don't think that what they are saying will affect the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because they said, greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. A lot of Fulani herdsmen has been doing one thing or the other in the northern part of Nigeria. How many times have you seen people from southeast saying they should be most wanted, or they want them for this atrocity they committed? Nobody. The northern part of Nigeria, they are just trying to protect their own. But see the southeast part of Nigeria, what is going on? If not for the people that so much love Biafra, if not for the people that so much love IPOP, the people that love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the people that love the supreme leader, a lot of things would have gone wrong. Let's try and protect our own. This is another strategies right now that the northern part of Nigeria, they are trying to bring. But the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, have sent a report to them that no matter what they do, no matter the killings, no matter the agitation against him, no matter what they do to stop Biafra, they can never stop the spirit of Biafra. So my wonderful family, what do you think about this video? What do you think about the response? What are you going to respond to the northern part of Nigeria? I want you to drop it in the comment section. See, don't be moved and don't be shaken. No matter how many they are, even if they are in millions, God said he will make a way for you in the wilderness. So it doesn't matter a lot of people that is against the leader of Biafra right now, but I believe that God will make a way for him wherever he is. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of today. The end of our own decision, the end of what we think about what Fulani herdsmen is saying, is to be silent and start doing our things. Is to be silent for us to live a life that is going to shock them. Is to be silent and learn to protect the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Is to be silent to do the needful, to do what is right. Is to be silent for the world to know the purpose why Biafra need to come. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe to Agatha Progress channel on YouTube. I come across your way every blessed day.